GIFT City stands for Gujarat International Finance Tech City, a financial services SEZ located between Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar in Gujarat. It has been given offshore status under FEMA regulations, and it has been set up as India's first international financial services center. The primary objective for establishing GIFT City is to attract foreign capital into India, especially from NRIs, and to become a global financial center like Singapore or Dubai. Now, in order to achieve these objectives, a dedicated financial regulator under the Government of India, IFSCA, was set up for GIFT City in 2020. IFSCA serves as a unified financial regulator for GIFT City, consolidating the roles previously held by multiple domestic regulators, like RBI for banking, SEBI for capital markets, IRDA for insurance products, and PFRDA for pension products. What are some of the products live in GIFT City? To start off, you have USD bank accounts and USD fixed deposits. Then you have alternate investment funds or AIFs, which invest in India or abroad. You also have GIFT Nifty futures and global stocks, which are listed on exchanges within GIFT City. On the insurance side, you have health, term, endowment plans, and ULIPs, again denominated in USD. Let's talk about banking in GIFT City. The foundation of GIFT City's banking ecosystem is built on international banking units, or IBUs. These are bank branches set up by Indian or foreign banks in GIFT City, and they operate under the regulatory purview of IFSCA, GIFT City's unified financial regulator. As of 2025, GIFT City has 30 operational IBUs, comprising both Indian and international institutions. Some of the prominent Indian banks are State Bank of India, ICICI, HDFC, and RBL Bank. Some of the prominent international banks present in GIFT City are Citibank, HSBC, and Bank of America. Now let's talk about the benefits of opening a savings account in GIFT City for NRIs. As an NRI, you can open a foreign currency savings account in USD or other major currencies like Euro or Pounds with Indian banks operating out of GIFT City. That means your savings are held in dollars, not rupees. So you are protected from INR depreciation. Interest income earned in GIFT City bank accounts is tax-free in India. So no taxes deducted at source and no tax filing requirement in India. You also get nomination and joint account facilities, just like a regular Indian savings account, but with global banking. This could be especially useful for NRIs in countries like UAE, where nomination facility may not be that prevalent. Money transfers can be done via SWIFT, making it seamless to move funds in and out of GIFT City to any other country. Your GIFT City savings account can act as a funding source for other investments and products within GIFT City, whether it is fixed deposits, AIFs, insurance, or even trading. So in short, you get global multi-currency banking, INR depreciation protection, and tax-free returns, all while banking with a familiar Indian institution. When most NRIs think about safe, stable investments, fixed deposits often top the list. Now, there's a newer, better version of the traditional FD that more and more NRIs are turning to: GIFT City fixed deposits. So what are these GIFT City fixed deposits? They are fixed deposits offered by GIFT City-based branches of Indian banks. These fixed deposits are made in foreign currency like USD and come with some big advantages for NRIs. Here's why GIFT City FDs stand out. Protection from INR depreciation. Since you are parking your money in foreign currency like USD, your capital stays shielded from rupee weakening. Higher interest rates compared to global markets. You can earn better returns without worrying about currency conversion losses. No Indian bank account needed. You can invest directly from your foreign bank account. Your money is fully repatriable. Both principal and interest can be taken back abroad. No limits, no red tape. And finally, no tax payable in India on the interest earned. That's right, zero tax or TDS on interest income in India. Now, how do GIFT City FDs compare with other types of fixed deposit options available to NRIs, namely FCNR, NRE, and NRO FDs? Let's break it down. GIFT City FDs and FCNR FDs are similar, as both let you invest in foreign currencies like USD, Euro, or Pound, and both are tax-free in India. But here's where GIFT City FDs pull ahead. You don't need to open an NRE or NRO account. You can invest directly from your foreign bank account. Plus, you get more flexible tenures, from as short as 7 days to as long as 10 years, while FCNR deposits have a minimum tenure of 1 year. NRI FDs, on the other hand, are made in Indian rupees. That means you are exposed to rupee depreciation over time. While the interest is tax-free and repatriable, you are still tied to INR currency. NRO FDs are meant for income earned in India, like rent or capital gains. These are fully taxable in India with a 30% TDS on the interest. And while you can repatriate the money, it's subject to a $1 million limit per financial year under FEMA. Hence, GIFT City FDs score over all other NRI FD products because of their flexibility, currency protection, and tax-free income. The fund management industry has been one of the most successful industries in GIFT City, and it primarily comprises of alternative investment funds or AIFs. AIFs are a type of investment vehicle that pool money from sophisticated high net worth investors to invest in less liquid assets like private equity, venture capital, distressed assets, or in complex trading strategies like those involving leverage and derivative. They can also be simple buy and hold investment funds investing in public stock markets, much like mutual funds. Currently, close to 200 AIFs are registered at GIFT City, and they are managing billions of dollars of investor money, including from NRIs. There are AIFs that just invest in India, and there are AIFs that invest in global equities as well. No Indian bank account needed to invest in GIFT City AIFs. You also don't need to have Aadhaar or a PAN card to invest in these funds. Since GIFT City is considered an offshore jurisdiction, your investments are fully repatriable without any limits. And best of all, for NRIs, there is no capital gains tax payable in India on Category 3 GIFT City AIFs that invest in Indian equity mutual funds. Any tax liability is only as per the country of residence and not India. And hence, if you are in a country like UAE or Singapore, where there are no capital gains taxes, then your entire profits are tax-free. One key thing to note while investing in GIFT City AIFs is that since it is an AIF structure, there is a minimum ticket size for investment. And currently, the minimum is 150,000 USD, which is approximately rupees 1.25 crores. Overall, GIFT City AIFs are one of the best ways for high net worth NRIs to invest in India, offering easier onboarding, full repatriability of money, and significant tax advantages. GIFT City isn't just home to investment funds. It's also where international stock exchanges are reshaping how Indians invest offshore and how NRIs invest in India. Currently, there are 2 stock exchanges operating in GIFT City. The first one, NSE International Exchange or NSE-IX, a subsidiary of the National Stock Exchange. And the second one is India INX, a subsidiary of the Bombay Stock Exchange. NSE-IX offers trading in index derivatives, primarily GIFT Nifty futures based on the Nifty 50 index. NSE-IX also allows investors to trade in top US stocks, giving Indian investors access to companies like Apple, Tesla, and Amazon. India INX, on the other hand, offers derivatives based on BSE indices like the Sensex and India 50. As an NRI, there are some key benefits of trading on GIFT City exchanges. No Indian bank account is required. Both exchanges operate in USD, and trading happens for nearly 20 hours a day on weekdays, overlapping with major global markets. On the tax side, there are no capital gains tax in India, even on profits from derivatives trading. There is no STT, no stamp duty, or GST on these trades. The exchanges are also working towards launching more long-term investment-focused products like Nifty ETF, which will be a game changer for NRIs looking to invest in India. In short, the exchanges in GIFT City are making cross-border investing smoother, smarter, and far more tax-friendly. When NRIs plan their finances, insurance is often seen as something local, either in India or in their current country of residence. Some NRIs end up buying insurance at both places for wider coverage, but GIFT City is changing that. Here is what makes insurance products offered in GIFT City different and relevant for NRIs. 1. Policies are denominated in USD, So your cover amount is shielded from rupee depreciation. A $500,000 USD cover stays that way no matter where the rupee goes. 2. They come with global coverage. Even if you move countries, your coverage does not lapse. This applies to both life and health policies. 3. The range of products available is wide, from pure insurance products like term insurance and health insurance to investment products like ULIPs and endowment plans. Now let's talk about the kicker, taxation. If you invest in a ULIP or endowment plan via Gift City and your premium is not more than 10% of the sum assured, the entire maturity amount is exempted from any tax in India. All of these are regulated by IFSCA under the same framework that governs financial institutions in Gift City. In short, Gift City-based insurance gives you global coverage, dollar-denominated security, and potential tax benefits, all while staying fully insured. Apart from these, there are several upcoming products like ETFs and retail mutual funds, foreign currency education loans, and multi-currency cards. Hey, thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment or reach out to us at our handles given below.